Well, hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I want to bring you along to my kitchen, and I want to sit there and show you a quick weeknight warrior instant pot dish that you can make on a real busy weeknight. And it is my Instant Pot ham and pasta salad. So grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, what do you do when it's really hot outside and it's time for supper and you do not want to heat up the house? Well, you grab your Instant Pot here and you grab some trusty old pasta, and we're gonna make an Instant Pot ham pasta salad. So let's go ahead and open up. I'm gonna add a full box of the Rotini noodles, and then you're gonna want 2 cups of cubed up ham. Go ahead, add all that. And now get out a spoon and give that all a good stir. You're going to want to stir it up really good. And now we're just going to sit there and add just enough water to cover our noodles. Or if you want your noodles to be flavored, now is the time to do it. And you can do that also through chicken broth. Now, give that all another good stir. Remove our spoon. Grab our cover. Put our cover on. Lock it into place. Make sure that our vent up here is to the sealed position. We're going to come down here to the manual button, and we're going to set the time for 6 minutes. And we're going to allow the pressure and everything to build up on the inside. And then we're going to do a quick release. So let's quick run through the rest of the ingredients. You're going to want 1 cup of the chopped up tomatoes. And you're going to be needing, I think, 1/3 of a cup of chopped up peppers. You're going to be needing 1/2 of a chopped up onion and 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese and pepper and salt. And now that the pressure is all released, let's go up here and open it up, and let's give everything a good stir. Okay, I'm going to grab a colander and we're going to drain the liquid from the pasta. Now, let's add our pasta back to the Instant Pot. And I'm sorry if my arms are in the way. But let's go ahead, add the yellow pepper, or if you chose to use red or green, let's just add the pepper. Go ahead, add your chopped up tomatoes, add your chopped up onion, and also let's add the grated parmesan cheese. Now grab your spoon and we're gonna sit there and give everything a good toss. I want to add some salt at this time, not too much because we cooked the ham in there. And let's go ahead, add a good pinch of black pepper. And now you're gonna want to stir in anywheres from 1/4 cup to a 1/2 of a cup of this creamy cucumber ranch salad dressing. Let's give that all a good stir. And remember, you want to have your Instant Pot turned off at this point. And now, just give this a little taste test to sit there and see if you might have to add some more of the creamy cucumber dressing. Alright, I'm just going to sit there and spoon myself up some and put some in my bowl. Yeah, I see little string pulls from the Parmesan cheese. Look at that. Now, if you want, you can sit there and put some parsley down on top. And there you go. That's how easy it is to sit there and put together a pasta salad that tastes really good on a busy weeknight. So, if you like this type of recipe, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell, that way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time out of your busy schedules and watching my videos and helping support my channel here. I greatly appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins'. Y'all come back now, you hear?